comparison, a 10-lettered word, and very strong enough to harm us, to destroy us, to deject us. हम अपनी पूरी लाइफ सिर्फ कंपेयर करते हैं, and just because of this comparison, we just forget who we are. There was a girl named Akshita. I asked Akshita, what you want to become in life when you grow up? She said, Di, I want to become happy. I said, happy? Really? I think you misunderstood my question. And she said, Di, I think you misunderstood life. And that was the day I learned the biggest lesson of my life, that we all are a part of a rat race, a sluggish rat race, to beat each other, to defeat each other, to score better in exams, not in exams, in careers, in lives, in relationships. You know, we will never compare an animal with a bird, a dancer with a singer. We will never compare them. But we keep on comparing our children to someone else. And that's what disappoints us in life. Because the trouble with the rat race is that even if you win, you still remain a rat. There was a boy, उछल रहा था बहुत. मैंने पूछा क्यों उछल रहे हो? बोला मैं 3 में फेल हो गया. मैंने बोला 3 में फेल हो गए तो उछल क्यों रहे हो? बोला वो 5 में फेल हो गया. Constantly comparing. Ladies and gentlemen, stop these comparisons. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. Never judge your kids by the grades. No exam, no test, no assessment is final. Tell them that they are unique. Tell them that they are special. Tell them कि उनकी जिंदगी एक क्वेश्चन पेपर और एक आंसर शीट से बहुत ज़्यादा है. क्योंकि जब हम उनके सक्सेस को मार्क्स से रिलेट करते हैं, that's what disappoints them, disheartens them, dejects them. These exams will not define how much talented you are. Marks matter when that subject matters to you. Otherwise, no matter how much you try, you won't be able to love that subject unless and until you feel that subject. So let's take a pledge to make our kids out of this rat race. Because the rat race of marks is temporary, but the knowledge gained with that subject is permanent. Let's avoid these comparisons, let's avoid these competitions and make our children a free bird. Because the moment comparison is avoided, competition will be eliminated. Remember, parents are the best mentors of life. It's the duty of the parents to motivate them, to guide them, to inspire them, to bless them, that they will shine one day, rise one day. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but destination is waiting for them. And that will be real success. So that's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and avoid comparisons. You will always be happy. Thank you.